حبيبي يا رسول الله حبيبي يا رسول الله حبيبي يا رسول الله حبيبي يا رسول الله.
And the other aspect is that none of us have ever seen Almighty Allah, whose message of oneness we are accepting. We have never seen Him. Almighty Allah gave us eyes. We see, but we can't see God. He gave us ear. We hear, but we can't hear Him. He gave us nose to smell, but we can't smell Him. He gave us tongue to taste, but we can't taste Him. He gave us hands to touch, but we can't touch Him. So He is beyond our five senses. This is the first basic source of knowledge. We knocked the door of perception. We knocked the door of ears, door of eyes, door of tongue, door of hands, door of smelling, and we asked, can you lead me to my God? All of our senses said, no, sorry, we don't know. We have never seen. Eyes said, we have never seen Him. Hands replied, we have never touched Him. Tongue said, I have never tasted Him. So go anywhere else, we don't know about God. Then we went to our intellect, to our aql. We knocked the door of aql and asked, please lead me to my God. He said, I don't know anything about God, because my whole dependence is on the feelings and perceptions which are sent and communicated to me by the five senses. So my five senses have never sent any information to me about God. So I am totally empty and blind. I don't know who the God is. Go somewhere else. So there is no answer about God from perception, no answer from conception. And we were just standing there. I was knocking the doors of five senses, and I was knocking the door of my intellect and mind. And from every door I was receiving the answer, no, sorry, I don't know. I can't answer any of your question. At that time, when I was wandering in the darkness of ignorance, and I was wandering in the darkness of totally illiteracy and ignorance, at that time when I was upset and I was wishing, then what would be the source who could answer my questions, who could lead me to the Lord, to my God, to my Creator, to my Cherisher? When I was standing in the darkness, all of a sudden I heard a voice. When I say I mean the humanity. All of a sudden, the mankind heard a voice, a strange voice. And that voice was saying, Ya Yuhannas, inni Rasulullah ilaykum jamiya. Your five senses cannot lead you to the existence of God. Your aql and intellect, perception and conception, nothing possessed by you can lead you to your God. Come to me. I have been sent and raised by the God. I am the only source which will hold your hand and lead you to the door of God. I asked, who are you? He said, I am Muhammadur Rasulullah. So I held the hands of Muhammadur Rasulullah. I brought my faith in Muhammadur Rasulullah. I accepted whatever he was saying. I believed in his truthfulness. Very important thing. I brought my faith and full confidence in his truthfulness. I accepted that this person saying I am Muhammadur Rasulullah is a truthful. He is a sadiq. He is honest. He is Amin. He is the justifier. He is the verifier. I accepted his truthfulness. I brought and developed my confidence in his person. So I held his hands. Then he took me to the La ilaha illallah. So when I believed in Muhammadur Rasulullah, only then I was able to go to the door of La ilaha illallah. Now tell me who comes first, Muhammadur Rasulullah or La ilaha illallah? Tell me now. Now I want your answer. I want your answer loudly. As far as the grade is concerned, definitely La ilaha illallah is higher, Allah is higher, He is the creator. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is His servant, beloved servant, His messenger, His prophet. There is no doubt about that. He is first and every creature, including prophets, are after Him. But I am talking of the priority of bringing the faith, the significance of the priority of faith. So I never knew about La ilaha illallah, and not a single human soul in this world was able to understand La ilaha illallah unless we developed our confidence in Muhammadur Rasulullah. So who comes first in this arrangement? Muhammadur Rasulullah or La ilaha illallah? We were not aware of Allah unless we became aware of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is the means.